Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is video number 2 in repairing the Squib harness, which we have got from Mercedes Benz. So the first step was to do diagnostic. Second step is to take out the airbag. To take out the airbag, you need T30 torx, which you have to put inside here and then undo the screw, make it loose. Another one at the bottom, and they're coming from here. After that, you just have to pull the airbag. After that, you need to remove the connectors. These ones, lift this one up, and we can now pull off the green and yellow connectors. That means the airbag will be out. Thereafter, we're going to remove the steering. Before we remove the steering, we have to make sure the tires are straight. Okay, I'll be posting more videos, and I will try to combine them all into one thing. Okay guys, bye.